case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1994, the Supreme Court of California heard a lawsuit between a woman injured in a car accident and General Motors, GM. The case, Soule v. General Motors Corp., revolved around a 1982 Camaro and intricate questions of product liability law. The plaintiff asserted that her injuries, damaged ankles, were caused by a defect in her car. She alleged that a weak welding on the wheel mount triggered a sudden collapse of the wheel, brutally driving her feet into the car's tow pan. She further claimed that this was not just a fault of factory work, but a fundamental design flaw. However, there was a sharp disagreement over how the collision happened, with the complexities involving the angles and forces of impact requiring expert testimonies from metallurgists, biomechanics specialists, and crash test simulators. GM mounted a fierce defense, arguing that the crash caused the injuries, not a faulty product. The bracket that failed was, according to them, overdesigned and unlikely to be the cause of the accident. The automobile giant also highlighted the lack of a universally accepted design paradigm, highlighting that even the Ford Mustang, lauded as a safer option, allowed the wheel to travel rearward without any restriction in a similar scenario. The trial court sided with the plaintiff, a decision upheld by the Court of Appeal. However, it acknowledged the lower court's error in applying the ordinary consumer expectations test in this complex case and rejected GM's request for a special instruction on causation. Despite the lower court's instructional shortcomings, the Supreme Court did not deem them enough to overturn the previous judgments. Instead, it agreed with the appellate court's conclusion that a manufacturer could be held strictly liable for injuries caused by a design defect, as long as it enhanced the injuries in a foreseeable usage scenario. The High Court's ruling marked a nuanced victory for the injured plaintiff, reinforcing manufacturers' duty to anticipate the potential risks posed by their products. This narrative underscores the intricacies and balances struck within product liability law, where the responsibilities of manufacturers, the role of product design, and causation of injuries often collide.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.